Seeds are truly nature's tiny powerhouses, brimming with nutrients that can revolutionize your diet. The right choices among seeds can infuse your meals with healthy fats, proteins, and essential vitamins. By understanding which seeds to embrace and which to avoid, you open the door to a multitude of health benefits while steering clear of potential risks. Chia seeds, for example, are a stellar addition to any diet. Known for their high omega-3 fatty acid content, they play a critical role in heart health. These little gems also boast a significant fiber level, making them a perfect ally for digestion. Imagine sprinkling chia seeds over your morning smoothie or mixing them into yogurt. Their ability to absorb liquid and form a gel-like consistency can keep you feeling satiated and energized throughout your day. Flax seeds offer another remarkable health boost. Rich in omega-3s and lignans, they provide not just nutritional benefits, but also protective qualities against certain types of cancers. When ground, their fiber becomes readily accessible, promoting gut health and stabilizing blood sugar levels. Picture adding ground flax to your oatmeal or baked goods. These tiny seeds can easily enhance any meal. Moving on to pumpkin seeds, envision a bowl filled with these green nuggets packed with magnesium, zinc, and iron. They serve as a fantastic source of nourishment for bone strength and immune support. Their rich antioxidant content can blanket the body against inflammation and chronic disease. Toss them in salads or snack on them roasted for a nutrient-dense treat. Lastly, hemp seeds are groundbreaking for those seeking complete plant-based proteins. Each serving contains all essential amino acids, complemented with a perfect balance of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, nurturing both heart and cognitive health. Imagine mixing hemp seeds into your smoothies or salads for added texture and nutrition. However, not all seeds are beneficial. For instance, apple seeds harbor amygdalin, which can release cyanide, genuinely dangerous, in large amounts. Visualize the unintended effects of consuming these seeds versus the invigorating energy from nutritious selections. Similarly, tomato seeds may irritate your digestive tract, particularly if you have sensitivities. Poppy and cherry seeds warrant caution as well. While poppy seeds are generally safe, unwashed varieties can harbor opiates, presenting unexpected complications. Cherry seeds also release hazardous substances, emphasizing the importance of seed safety. By consciously including seeds like chia, flax, pumpkin, and hemp in your diet while avoiding apple, tomato, poppy, and cherry seeds, you're making a valuable investment in your health. Consider this guidance a roadmap to nutritional success as you explore the vast world of seeds and their benefits.